Just cleaning up my nice Zenith. It's semi-annual cleaning and waxing.
Or in this case, Somewhere My Love, with Ray Conniff putting all the right notes in all the right places.
Listening to 740 out of Toronto. Nice radio. Fortunately, I got to keep it covered up, so that's why I have to take it out and clean her. I blow it away when I turn the light on. Nope. And I'm going to go clean the Philco after I'm done with this one. This one needs it too. Same reason. Cover them up to keep them protected, but they get dirty. I'm going to do a little cleaning on this. This is a Silvertone, but the escutcheon is broken and missing. Not missing, I've got it. I just got to find a new one, but I don't think I can find a new one. So, who knows. Few